What's going on, y'all? It's Knllght here.
Yes, we're ready.
What's going on, guys? It's Knllght here, and/or Chris. Today I'm here with the group. You feel me? Caleb, y'all scoop down a little bit. Okay, today we are doing Would You Rather questions and press the button questions. I'm here with the friend group, except Colby and Aunt, obviously. But Colby, he's not the smartest in the world, so he's not going to be here. But I'm here with the rest of the friend group. So let's go ahead and get into question one with it. You feel me? Y'all boys ready? Yeah. Y'all boys, it's going to be some heat. It's going to be some heat, you feel me? So let's get right into it. Alright, I'm ready. So, alright.
Just gotta put the transition right there.
Y'all ready?
Other turn.
Alright, first question. Would y'all rather forget everyone or everyone forget you?
Oh, that shit was actually good.
That's good. That's good.
I'd rather forget everyone.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah. Because like they can help me remember. Like I can't.
This is also no way. What is it? What's the Spider-Man?
Nah, but I'm saying I'd rather forget everyone because they can help me like remember.
Because if anyone forgets you, you got records.
That's what I'm saying.
You were no longer a U.S.
Honestly, I'd rather forget everyone because that's more of like a normal thing. What?
That's Alzheimer's.
Yeah, Alzheimer's. That's Alzheimer's. It's a thing that's happened before. But until again. Alzheimer's, which you can't never gain your memory back, like more stable. But it's still like more possible than probable.
Not having the records, you're no longer U.S. citizen.
Yeah.
I'm not even that.
Your mom don't know.
You're not
your mom got a place to live.
You're not a person. If your mom don't know me, that's what means that, bro.
That's crazy.
Niggas don't care. Nigga, fuck my mom. Nah, I'm just playing. I love you, mom.
Shout out moms in the comment section.
Yeah, facts.
We love our moms. Alright, so that one's an easy one though.
No, you like one.
2. The classic. What do y'all think it is? What do you think it is?
The classic?
The classic.
Eat butt or suck toes?
No.
It's gonna be something about come.
No.
The classic.
The classic.
Will we rather
teleport or freeze time?
Alright, here we go.
Freeze time. I'm picking freeze.
Teleport, bro.
It's teleport.
It's definitely teleport.
I'd rather teleport.
Teleport.
You know the only one.
You know what? Freeze time.
You know what?
Freeze time.
You know how much what you could get in freezing time?
That's exactly.
That's weird. That's weird. You know how much money you could get with freeze time?
Yeah.
You can get the same amount of money with teleporting.
How?
Yeah, but there's gonna be a record of you.
How?
No, are you
not.
They can't
Okay, but now they know someone just robbed the bank.
Okay,
they don't know that shit.
They don't know who. They don't know how.
Money laundering at that
But
point.
to teleport somewhere, you gotta know where you're teleporting.
Yeah.
Okay, I know I'm teleporting to the
Okay,
bank.
but listen.
Think about it like
Okay,
You can't get any butt by freezing time unless you're a rapist.
That's what I'm saying. Think about it like this. You gotta move, right? You know what I'm saying? Instead of driving, you know what I'm saying? Just, you there. In there and out.
Okay, if I freeze time,
You still gotta drive it. You still have to drive it.
I can drive a Bentley. I can go to the cop a Bentley and drive there. I can do anything. The world is in my hands if I freeze time.
So you teleport though. Like it's
You still gonna get in the Bentley, teleport in the Bentley and start driving.
There's a million things you can do with what is
Okay, but if you're gonna teleport in the Bentley, you gotta be in Bentley position. You have to be sitting down and hope that the Bentley doesn't fucking crush your leg.
Dude, you're thinking
Bro,
about way
I'm
too hard.
teleporting in the driver's seat. No, I'm teleporting in the driver's seat, bro. Let's just assume that we can teleport to where we want, like in our head.
Teleport at
One, I can have consensual sex with a female.
Okay,
not just
No one, you guys get a butt, not us.
Okay, but I'm saying
No one's raping no one. No R word. We're not rapists. We are not rapists. We are not rapists.
Past that, I mean everything else, bro. We do the same shit.
Yeah.
But our shit is just better.
Our shit's
Alright, here's another one. Would y'all rather be rich and everyone in the world hates you, or be poor but everyone in the world loves you?
rich.
Wait, if I'm poor,
You're like,
if I'm poor, everybody love me. Don't that mean they'll give me money? If I'm poor,
If everyone loves me, they're just supporters. I wouldn't say they give me money.
GoFundMe though.
Niggas, they love me.
you could start a GoFundMe.
Jay-Z will give me some money. You're gonna be a millionaire after that GoFundMe?
If everyone in the world loves
Yeah, Jay-Z,
like
Bill Gates, all them niggas love me. So really, they can give me
I-
something.
But everyone completely hates your guts if you're rich.
But is there something that I
Okay,
did?
but like let's
Or
just
is
say
like-
the president, like JFK, he was very loved by everyone.
Mhm.
Or except
Well,
in America. In America,
he did die.
Okay, no,
He
in
got
America.
shot.
Okay, in America.
Everybody
But
loves
not
that.
everyone. If JFK was like, bro, I need money, not everyone was gonna give him, and the whole America.
But we're saying like truly love them though.
Truly love,
Like Buddha.
Because you know when truly love, like I don't know, Jay.
but Buddha helped people.
Nigga, we
That's why
truly
he
love
loved
Barack
it.
Obama.
He gave money.
I know
He
it's
gave
Barack
money and
Obama.
money.
Barack Obama.
I know it's Barack Obama.
That's
You
what
should
I
say
said.
Barack Obama.
Not everyone loved Barack.
Nah.
Why did you say that?
Nah,
It's
yeah,
literally
nah,
Not white folks don't like Barack Obama.
Wait, I think somebody in this room don't like Barack Obama. Hey, no, it's a joke. It's a joke.
I'm honestly gonna pick poor.
Is it okay?
Everyone loves me. I'm gonna pick poor.
Some people can give me money. They love me that much. They give me
You
money.
might get killed if you're rich.
But you don't know. No, they
Nah,
love
they hate
don't
you.
love you
nigga,
that
They
much.
hate your guts.
He might say true.
They love you. They don't love you that much.
He said they actually love you. Like if somebody hates you, like they want you dead, bro.
Like, they-
Nigga, you
they
literally
might
got a
do.
price on your head. Like you gonna stay in the house every day, bro. Niggas gonna be outside your house with snipers.
Like you're not.
And-
I'm
You
not.
want that in the house?
For everyone in the
Niggas
world,
got snipers
I
at
go
the front.
trick shot this nigga.
Niggas got snipers at the front.
you have to do some crazy
I
shit
ain't
for
gonna lie,
everyone in the world.
Putin. Everyone hates Putin. Putin lives in lavish.
No, there's people in Russia that.
That's because niggas in Russia.
And
are
what
scared.
There's a lot of niggas in Russia who fucking hate Putin.
Because
What do they do?
They're scared to do
Nothing.
something. No, I'm just
Go out and assassinate
Exactly.
Exactly.
Mr. DeWitt said something like, if they speak out, they die. nigga.
Oh yeah.
So they're scared. They can hate somebody who be scared to do something because he's that powerful.
So which one are you saying?
They show up missing.
What? Oh, poor.
Rich.
I guess I'll go for it.
I'm going for it.
I'm on poor too. You?
Yeah, I'm going poor.
It's really on the levels of how much they hate and love you.
If they
But it's a fine line.
If it's extreme hate and extreme love, then I'm choosing poor.
All right. Would y'all rather take someone's life or take your own life?
take some.
It depends. It depends.
And it's no. It depends on what
I'll-
circumstance it is. But it's just like.
I'm thinking a
if
person who's
someone-
already about to die.
I'll take Kim Jong-un's life. I'll kill that nigga immediately.
But no.
I take Putin's life.
No, I'm doing a mercy kill.
That's
I'm
a
mercy
good
killing.
What do you mean?
Someone's already about to die. I'm just gonna
I would kill somebody
No,
if it's
I'll
self-defense.
kill.
But no. Depending on we gotta pick the scenarios though. So you're the
Okay,
one
but now
trying to
you
rob
gotta-
you. Someone trying to rob you. Okay, you have to. You kill him. But if I had to take someone else's life, if it was just a random person who
random
didn't do
person in the
anything,
world.
I'd honestly take my own life.
Yeah, I mean, if it's a random person in the world,
kill
I'd honestly take my own life.
yeah.
If it's just quick and easy, I honestly take my own life. But now, if I'm self-defending someone or anyone,
Get clicked up, nigga.
If I get to choose, I'm choosing somebody I'm killing. But
yeah.
No, I ain't gonna lie. Would you kill Miss Jared? Would you kill Miss
You
Jared?
kill Miss
Or would you
Jared?
kill yourself?
Jared.
Would you kill Miss Jared?
Would you kill Miss Jared?
Hold on. Here's the Lord. Here's the Lord.
I'll kill myself.
Here's the Lord.
I'll kill myself.
Miss Jared got
Being
prison.
Hitler or killing this Jared?
I'm killing.
No, that's not what you
Yeah.
said. He's fronting for the
Yeah,
camera.
yeah,
He's
yeah.
fronting for the camera.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie.
He's
So
fronting
which
for the camera.
Jared gotta go.
Which one are you choosing?
Miss Jared. What's the question?
Depending on the circumstances, would you take someone's life or take your own life? If it's just a random person, I'll take my own life.
If it's a random, yeah.
But if it's under the right circumstances, I'll take their life.
Kill him.
If it's a random person that ain't do nothing, ain't got a house, family, and
I'm just
kids,
gonna mercy
I'm
him.
gonna pray to God and be like, bro, please forgive me. I had no choice in this. It's not my choice.
Oh yeah, also that. Oh, y'all would be straight. 'Cause
What?
that technically be like you sacrifice yourself.
Yeah.
Instead of killing.
I sacrificed for myself for somebody else to live. So I'm pretty sure the man upstairs, he would understand that.
Regardless.
Yeah, but if you get to choose them, what are you gonna do then? If we're bringing up religion.
if we get to choose.
Because if you choose to kill Kim Jong-un, God's not gonna like that.
No, that's what I'm saying. I never said that. I said I'm defending someone.
No, but if you were to choose,
Give him the chance. Did you
give
go?
him the chance.
Would I
You
kill-
had to choose right now.
Yes.
Oh, me or
You had to
Putin?
choose right now.
I'll
You had to
kill
kill someone.
You were Putin.
Me? I meant Putin.
Yeah.
Putin
Okay, but what is the man upstairs
he's killing other people.
Yeah.
Though. Putin's killing other people every other
That's for the
day.
greater good, though. If Hitler was still alive and I had a chance to kill Hitler,
I'll kill Hitler.
because he's killing other
Just
people.
how
They
they
killed 6 million people.
Yeah.
Crazy. Yeah, I think.
But would the man upstairs be okay with that?
We don't.
I mean,
because Putin's killing other people.
I would rather.
Think about this.
kill
Most
him.
times we go to war with people is because they're doing bad. Like most of the time we're the ones doing good. So I'm pretty sure like in that
That's-
situation.
Regardless, God don't know your heart.
You know what I think that's true? A lot of shit is caused by
Nigga, every war that we went into,
I'm not
that's
saying
because
that.
somebody else is doing something bad. Like we never start
Other than the Civil War.
Well, it's more because
But that was us versus us.
we only ever intervene because they're doing stuff to us.
Yeah.
Like World War II, we weren't even gonna enter that until they bombed Pearl Harbor.
So they bombed it, killed all those people.
They was just mad.
Hold on.
Missed
So
target.
technically, all right. So listen. Do you think you'll still go to heaven in self-defense?
Yeah.
So technically, would that
Okay,
be
but Putin
self-defense?
is in self-defense.
No,
Well,
I'm saying self-defense as in he's killing other people, so we're defending them.
Yo.
But that would be
Okay,
self-defense. Self is myself.
PK. What
It would have to be defense of others.
if Putin encouraged the Russian
That's
government? What if Putin encouraged the Russian government to launch a missile over here, and they went through with it, and they missed, but then we killed Putin? Is that self-defense?
That's attempted murder. That's attempted murder.
Right now,
That's
Putin's
attempted
running for
That's
the-
attempted murder.
He has a chance.
Because
I'm not
technically,
gonna lie, I'm getting a pig with Putin.
wait, hold on,
That's
because
where I
that is self-defense.
That is tough, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's like
It is self-defense. If somebody was gonna shoot you, like they put a gun at you and they missed,
And guess
you
what?
killed them. That's
Yeah,
just
that's him. He always ready to shake someone's hand.
So which one?
That shit gonna be.
But we're kind of mutual. It depends on the
a
circumstance.
mercy kill though. I don't think I could kill them.
Yeah.
I don't think I can kill them.
I don't think I can, bro.
They have to get teleported here, and
I
it's just
have
like
to
choose for them to die.
It's hard for me to kill anyone. First of all, I almost killed a bunny yesterday. And I went home crying. Bro. I went home crying. Like I literally teared up. I just feel like something of that
What
big.
about the frog?
Nah, nigga, that bunny.
And if it's something that big, I just feel like it's not my place to take it out.
Yeah. No, once it starts bleeding like a bunny.
What if it's a fat ass bunny-sized cockroach, nigga?
No,
But it's not.
No underwear or no socks for the rest of your life.
No underwear.
No underwear. No socks.
No, you realize how
Oh, but you can't do no school.
No.
Nigga, yo, socks.
I can go with.
No compressions.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can wear compression.
No compression underwear, but like compression pants.
Yeah.
And the nigga would just be wearing compression pants all the time.
Yeah, that's just gonna like. But you know, wearing tight stuff on like your balls and stuff, it actually fucks up the area.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I can free ball some days.
Yeah, we can do that to free ball. I'm not gonna lie.
Free balling.
Wait, but are we really gonna pick no underwear for this?
Yeah.
I meant no easily.
Yeah, that's it.
Nigga, those socks, your shit go funky, nigga.
That's just,
Jeans and no underwear is crazy.
That's what I'm thinking. Jeans and no underwear? That's
look at
crazy. That's what. That's the guy
Your
who
dick
literally
gonna
look
get
down
caught up in
like
the zipper. Your dick gonna get caught up in the zipper.
Yeah.
Yo.
but then you can wear shorts.
You can wear the compression pants.
Well, who wants to wear short? Oh.
Okay, who wants to wear no
Yeah.
socks? It's a lose-lose, but like you gotta choose a better option.
No.
No,
But
but shoes are pretty comfortable. They're
Caleb's
really
wearing no
big
socks
feet.
right now.
They're wearing
No, he's wearing no socks. You can change anything about your body: age, sex, hair color,
Dick
eye
size.
color, height, etc.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. 6'4".
But you have to physically eat someone with that desired trait.
Never
mind.
Never mind.
It is
But,
not that
but it's soufflé for you how you want it. It's cooked
Oh,
and prepared for you.
I can eat that food. Hang on, let me see.
Wait, but what would you get from a female? No, that's so crazy. But what would you even get from that?
But for example,
Brittany Griner. I get her height.
Yeah.
That is literally. Fred, you need to watch that.
But look.
I'm not.
Okay, turn on.
Okay.
But
You can't stop.
for example, if you want to be taller, you have to eat someone like Shaq to get their height.
You're doing that.
Ew, nigga.
But let's narrow it down.
And Shaq,
You can only
you gotta eat for Shaq.
You gotta eat that shit for like days.
Okay,
That's not-
okay. You only have to eat a body part, like an arm or a leg.
I eat a
A
finger.
foot?
I eat a finger.
But no, like fingers and toes. It gotta be something like
Is he
normally.
already
like,
dead?
Yeah, he's already dead.
Oh, he's already dead?
He doesn't have to be dead.
Yes,
If he wanted to be dead, he does.
Nigga, I'm not eating.
That's no
I'm
good.
not eating nigga.
But to be 6'5",
I would do that. Nigga, what you need to be.
Caleb would do it. Would you eat Shaq's hand? Would you eat Shaq's hand?
That's the talk. That's the talk.
No, his hand.
Okay, so who's
But-
6'5" that you would eat?
Zion Williamson.
He's
still,
sick.
He's
I'm
still
saying he's still gonna be big as shit.
Nigga, why you eating that fat ass nigga?
They cook it.
I said I want his height.
They cook it and prepare everything for you.
Like, it tastes like steak.
Okay, but you also just got him killed.
They say
You also just got him
he
killed.
tastes like pork.
He just
You
said
also just got him killed.
Would you eat Bill Russell?
You just died.
You just killed
That's what I'm saying. Would you eat Bill Russell?
But you don't have to kill him. They can like amputate it normally.
They just.
Would you honestly
the guy eat a finger.
No.
No.
It gotta be at least a solid.
It gotta be the hand.
At least a hand.
It could be.
I'm not doing that shit, bro. I'm not pressing the button on that one.
So you gotta get that.
Are you pressing the
bicep or
button?
something.
No, I'm not eating.
You said that's like pure muscle.
I'm like,
No, I mean,
right
no,
now, so-
no
Yeah.
fat. No
Yes.
fat.
You know what? Yes, I would.
Yo, he's the only one in hand.
I will eat a hand to be 6. What, he said Bill Russell? Yeah, I mean, Bill Russell.
What's Bill Russell?
He's at 6'11".
That nigga
But you said 7'2" was too tall.
What are you gonna do? We're gonna do it that way.
You just said Shaq was too tall, but now 3 inches shorter is okay.
I'm just saying, I'll eat a hand to be taller.
Nigga,
Okay, next question. You own 50% of Amazon, but the guy with the other 50% attempts to assassinate you twice each month.
Fuck that.
I'd rather stay.
I would just same me, bro.
Alright, y'all press on
Be
it.
fighting because he's gonna get 3 a month.
It's gonna be like the fucking
He's gonna try to pay some.
what was the show?
They
Where
couldn't-
Family Guy where he always does where he always finds the fucking chicken. Yeah. He's finding the random chicken. But so y'all wanna own the, y'all wanna
Yeah.
No, I'm not doing that.
Now, okay, because 50%, like, that's not enough money.
That's
No,
It's a lot of money,
It's
but it's not enough to like protect myself.
Alright, next one. This one's a good one. There's an 85% chance that you have $10 million deposited into your checking account with no you're going to jail, no nothing, no IRS comes to you. $10 million deposited into your checking account, but there's a 50% chance that you die instantly.
No.
No,
Are you pressing the button?
50 is crazy.
No, 15.
Oh,
the other 15. 85, 15.
Yeah, no.
You're not pressing the button?
I still.
I
am,
press the button. No,
15% is
a lot.
low, nigga. I will
I will press that button. I will press the button.
I'm not gonna lie.
I'll press the
Hell,
button.
is
For
your
some
luck
money?
that good?
I mean, for
I
some
would
money,
press
it's
the
like.
Nigga, so think about it like this.
Think about your luck,
Nigga,
My luck is awful. I'm not pressing that fucking button.
You think?
Alright, think about it like this. There's a fucking pie chart, right? And the fucking you spin it.
And you spin it.
Nigga, you know how big that fucking
Yeah, you're
85%
right.
is, nigga?
But then that
15.
Okay, yeah, nigga, and
You gonna look
15,
so fucking
Fucking dumb
dumb
as that shit spin and then
falls under 15.
I'll take my 8.5 out of 10 odds.
I'm not doing that.
I'm gonna be with Fred on this one. I'm gonna play that.
85.
I'm gonna do it. You're taking an 85% chance?
Yeah.
You taking it?
Everybody but me and Gabe is
Okay,
taking that
yeah.
shit.
But is that one of the?
If that shit is spinning and I see it's finna land on the death, nigga, I'm gonna stop that bitch and be like,
Okay.
alright.
Another what's it called?
No.
Another press button. You get transported to any video game of your choosing, and you get to bring back anything you got in the game to the real world. But if you die in the game, you die in real life.
Okay.
I'm gonna play 2K. I don't think we can die in there.
Yeah, I don't even think you can die.
What are you gonna bring?
What you bring back?
What your PC?
No, all they shoes.
I'm gonna
Hey,
bring
no,
the
The
shoes.
shoes. You can only bring back one pair though, because they can't.
Oh, you said one thing?
Alright, that's cool.
No, anything.
No, but it's like a GTA character. You got outfits. 2K, you gotta go to the fucking.
Oh, no,
store
I go
and
GTA,
put
yeah, bring
shit.
back the car.
You're right.
Get killed in
Exactly.
GTA, though.
No, but if I'm in story mode, who the fuck is he?
But no, I can just come back in GTA.
Yeah,
I'm
I would
a cop.
get that car and then immediately.
So, bro, you're GTA.
Yeah, he would just no. The thing is, he would just log in.
So what game are you picking?
No, because Halo could just
Oh,
log in.
yeah, I mean, I'm
Hold
on.
on. Okay, but what game are you picking?
I'm picking 2K. I just caught hella shoes.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
2K.
I'm not sure what. I
I'm
have to
in
think.
between
It's too many
2K.
games.
Okay, we're gonna come back to you.
It's between 2K and GTA, because
You're
GTA.
dying.
No, you're gonna die in GTA.
No, I'm not. If I
The
literally
niggas can't
log,
drive in GTA.
Okay.
I just log in my car's in my garage. I can just.
You already had to.
We good.
I'm picking GTA because all the money that's in my account. All the money that's in my account is GTA.
I'll go.
No. But how much money do you got, Killer? Because you're broke all the time. You're
Yeah.
constantly asking for money.
I know I got 1.8.
No.
How much?
I got like 5.
I got
You
one.
got 5 mil right now.
He's
No,
lying.
fuck you.
I have over $1 million. I tell you that.
Okay.
I'm actually gonna go to Red Dead. Take my chances.
Red Dead. And
Yeah.
what?
Another racist
horse.
Yeah. My stallion, my real
You
life.
gotta pick. You gotta pick 5.
Okay, GTA.
You take the money?
I'm taking my P1.
And the car. We can take anything.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yeah,
We can take the house.
I'm taking my assistant. The one in.
Yo, good thing.
Oh my bad.
This nigga keep.
Alright.
No.
Yeah, I'm
No,
going to
because
GTA.
you couldn't take the house. But then how are you gonna get to California now? How are you gonna no? Because it's in San Andreas. How are you gonna get to this fictional island? You can't bring back a fucking house. Where the fuck is that gonna go?
Oh, he's talking about the house.
I didn't really know what the fuck you said.
Niggas gonna go back
Oh,
on
he's
top
talking
of
about
the
the house. Oh, no, he said something about the house.
Niggas don't cop the house.
That's what I'm saying.
I have a house in
Alright.
And how are you gonna get to San Andreas? It's a fictional area. It's
No.
literally a fictional island.
So figure it out.
But it is really risky. People are hotheads in GT on the street. There's some hot heads.
Well, it depends if
It's in
you're
the
on story mode or online. If you have to go into online, I'm not doing it.
Oh yeah, if you're an online,
But technically, all our cars are online. All our cars are online.
Yeah, but that's the thing. He only has to log in.
I can log in.
Okay.
Go to my garage.
All right, next question.
you get $100 every time you
that.
look. You get $100 every time you poop, but you can only poop when 3 grandmas are watching.
Fuck.
3 grand.
Oh,
You get $100 every time you poop, but you can only poop when 3 grandmas are watching.
That makes no sense.
It does. What do you mean? There's just 3 grandmas watching.
They're
gonna watch
Do they like it or?
They gotta watch.
3 grandmas.
Like you gotta stay on the
So they're just forced to watch. They're just fucking busting into my fucking bathroom.
I'm gonna be like these, nigga.
And then there's just like,
So are y'all pressing the button?
so they have to like it then. Then yeah. I'm
It doesn't matter if they like it or not. They gotta be.
No, it does because if they don't like it, they're gonna fucking like they're gonna put me in jail. They're gonna be like, hey,
No, they can't put you in jail.
Can they just?
No, I'm doing that. Fuck that.
Are you pressing the button?
Is it random every time or is it like this?
It's a random.
No.
You'd actually become cool with those grandmas.
Yeah.
You'd be like, yo, what's up, grandma?
Nah, I'm just.
Alright, so you pressing the button?
Yeah, them girls got to smell this shit today, boy.
Yeah.
You pressing the button?
I got
There's no privacy when I take a shit.
Okay, I'm pressing the button too. Okay.
Okay.
There's another poop one. Austin likes poop ones because he poops on himself all the time. Alright. Would you rather poop in the toilet at a party knowing that you'll clog it, or poop in the bushes in the backyard of the party?
Shit in the bushes. No, you're gonna clog the toilet. You're gonna be that guy who clogs the toilet.
I'm a
And it's like,
and be like, no, clog the fucking
Oh
No, there's someone waiting outside.
I remember I clogged the
In
toilet.
a party, there's always a line. Come on.
Yo, yeah.
No, I'll just say the person before me clogged it.
Okay, but you sat in there for fucking
you
5
sat-
minutes.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I just didn't
What do you
realize.
think, Brett?
I'll bring some toilet paper.
Fuck it.
I'll bring some toilet paper.
I'm going on the bushes.
I'm going outside.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I can't get.
I remember I did that shit as a comedian. I clogged the toilet, but I was a kid though.
If they know it's me, then I'll go in the bushes.
Okay,
But if they
what
don't,
about you,
I'll
Caleb?
go in the toilet.
I go to this.
I'm going to
Not
the
yet.
All right, would you rather earn 1 cent every time you take a step, or $1 every time you jump?
Same every time I step.
Yes.
Yeah, I never jump.
I never fucking jump, bro.
How many steps?
I'm thinking jump.
Unless you're just
No,
bouncing.
wait, you bouncing?
you
count?
can- yeah,
He's
you
also
can.
be bouncing.
You do be that. Like you could just.
Okay, but even
But
if
I'm
still
saying,
taking the
if
same.
I know, yeah, I'm still taking the same.
A cent, bro. You
realize how much I walk? I go from E3 to A like 4 times in the
How
day.
much? Okay, how much steps does someone take in a day?
Yeah.
At least like 1,000.
How many steps?
I've taken 1,734
Oh, yeah, I
steps.
can't with that.
So I don't have
And you
$17.
didn't even have your phone on you.
$17.
I have $17.
Or I can just jump 100
How many
times.
times have you jumped right now?
Well, we were playing basketball outside. I jumped a lot.
Okay.
I jumped a good like.
Okay,
but that you
I
have to play basketball
didn't
every day.
have my phone on me.
Okay, I can hoop every day.
I'm saying I didn't have my phone on me.
Or I can.
Or actually, I'm not. Nah, I am jumping.
I'm jumping.
$1.
$1
It's
every-
gonna waste like 10 minutes.
Jumping
Jump.
jacks.
Okay,
You can do sets of jumping jacks. Fred.
Oh, Fred, damn.
Which one are you picking?
Jumping.
I'm picking
That's how
jump.
many steps I took.
11,000.
11,000.
Damn, where the fuck?
How much money is that?
That he had a football game.
How much money is that?
That's only
Playing with the
that's
phone in your pocket.
$11. It's 11 and a
I
half.
walked on the bus.
No.
We had to walk
Maybe
and walk.
way more.
I would have my phone all day at school.
All right, so you're picking. What are you picking?
Steps.
I'm doing jumps.
I'll jump now.
Bro, I'm just gonna spend like 5
I'm
minutes
doing
jumping.
jumps.
I'm tired. Just do 5 minutes, just jump. And then just, I'm just gonna get like
All right, y'all about to amp up. Y'all have to tee up. They only got a couple more questions left.
What's on?
Would you rather get paid $1 million to never masturbate again, or get paid $10 every time you masturbate?
$10 every time.
I don't think I could.
To match $1 million, that's a lot of nut. That's a.
But you can still get butt though.
Oh, well, no, you said masturbate. You mean like never have sex again?
Never.
That's ejaculate. No, masturbate.
That's not. So it's
Cat's
saying
feet.
masturbate or ejaculate?
Nigga.
It's saying masturbate.
Okay, so
Get $10 million to never beat your meat again,
Exactly.
or $10 every time you beat your meat.
$1
How
million
much is
dollars,
that? 10,000?
Yeah. I'm
Yes,
taking a
bro.
meal. I'm sorry, I'm taking a meal.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm taking a meal. I'm taking a meal.
Because what? That's
What's that? That's 10,000 nuts?
That's 10,000 nuts.
He's doing the math.
That is. I think.
That's not
You're
a world
right.
record.
Oh no, 100,000. I'm sure.
Yeah.
100,000. You would have made $4,650.
Yeah, no, I'm taking a
That
meal. Sorry.
I'm taking a mill. I'm not gonna lie.
I get the
10, 100,000.
I'm taking a
Never.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
Oh my
You just got to get butt.
Okay, but I get the million instantly. As soon as I sign the waiver.
You getting the
Yes, you get a million.
And if you ever nut, you die?
No,
No,
that's
no.
ejaculate. You can still like.
Okay, no, okay, well, if I'm nutting, or if I'm ejaculating,
Yeah.
you die.
No, we're not doing ejaculate. No, we're doing masturbating. Like you can still have sex and shit.
Okay, so if I masturbate, I die.
People do that shit for
Oh
free.
shit.
Yeah, you die.
Okay, but like,
Take
can I
the
like
mill.
just edge myself?
Just take
No
the
pick
mill.
up. Just take the mill, dude.
Just take the mill.
Okay,
Just take the mill, Carla.
I'll take the mill. I'll take the mill. Buy like a little
Didn't you
house.
say can
I'm
you
living
edge
there.
yourself? What is that?
Okay, you.
Okay, we're not getting that. We're not getting that.
saying
We're not getting that. We're not getting that.
Oh God, I don't know.
Alright, next
Okay,
question.
you take
You
a mill.
literally okay.
I'm taking a mill.
Mill.
Really?
Next
All
question.
right, would you rather get an erection every time you're around children or scream the N-word every time you say Obama?
Obama, nigga.
Every
Scream
time
it out loud.
Wait, every time I say
Obama?
Every time the word Obama comes around.
Oh,
Obama's not
around
that
me.
Like, yeah, every time you hear the word Obama.
I would just tell everyone don't say Obama. Obama, like, don't say it. You cannot When
say
you can kind of hide a hard on.
Okay,
But that's a
Around
I can't do that.
No, around children.
Around children is crazy.
I'll take Obama. I'll take
Alright,
Obama.
I'm taking Obama. What are you taking?
I mean, of course we're black. It's harder for gay to take Obama, but
Which one are you picking, Fred?
My nigga Beezy.
Which one are you picking?
Obama.
Obama. I'm picking Obama. Alright, here's the last one. Would you rather have the ability to teleport or be able to legally create a $5 bill by clapping?
Oh,
Clap.
clap.
And that's how we gonna end the video. Y'all let y'all know, I want to know what y'all responses are down low. You feel me? If y'all want more video, y'all ever get in? Never get in? Heads in. If y'all want more videos like this, let me know. Kobe obviously wasn't here, the whole group wasn't here, but you know what I'm saying? Let me know the feedback and everything. I hope this video does well. If y'all want more, you feel me?
No, but shit's ass.
No, nigga, that was ass. Stick to vlogs. But yeah, I want to do more videos like this instead of vlogs. But I fuck with the vlogs too if y'all fuck with them. But I just hope they can see Caleb because Caleb, you like an unlocked character.
Yeah.
Caleb, you like an unlocked character.
I'm saying it like.
But yeah,
I fuck with them lots, man.
you fuck with the
I fuck with bro.
Yeah.
I think I fuck with these.
Yeah, I like these. These are fun for the group.
I fuck with all the night videos.
Did y'all like this? Y'all like
Can y'all
this?
see me for real?
I get whipped. I fuck with
I think it's
I
because
fuck
it's just small. I think once
Yeah,
you get
yeah,
some bigger.
I fuck
Other than that, it's been Knight and or Chris.
You got a friend that one?
Lost End or Night.
No. Carlos.
Infinity JT.
Oh my gosh. And it's been CWD, the friend group, you feel me? And I'll catch y'all on the next. Peace.